Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will delve into the details surrounding Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. As of August 8th, 2024, our system has categorized Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 124.76% since we first recommended purchasing Palantir 71 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.76% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken a significant and broad upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was broken at $56.48. This level may provide a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $67.82 is projected to be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 87.31% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 28.49% and 60.76%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 153.93% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between 41.60% and 77.58%. This translates to a price range of $93.19 to $116.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Palantir stock price up more than 11.17% on Friday. The Palantir stock price gained 11.17% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, rising from $59.20 to $65.81. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.36%, with a low of $60.91 and a high of $66. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 56.99% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 95 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 148 million shares changed hands for approximately $9.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $66, while the lowest was $15.66. Currently, the price is 0.29%, or 19 cents, below the 52-week high of $66, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has achieved a significant milestone, reaching an all-time high on November 15th, 2024. The stock surged approximately 9% following the announcement of its transition from the New York Stock Exchange to the Nasdaq, set to take place on November 26th. This strategic move is already producing positive results for investors, with Palantir's shares climbing over 50% since its last earnings report, which surpassed expectations. The The company's shift to the Nasdaq not only generates excitement, but also positions it for potential inclusion in the Nasdaq 100 index, increasing its visibility among institutional investors. Being part of this prestigious index could lead to heightened demand for Palantir shares, further driving the stock price upward in the long term. Despite a broader market sell-off today, Palantir's stock has stood out by outperforming many of its peers. The current momentum, combined with a favorable outlook for artificial intelligence and data analytics markets, places Palantir in a strong position to seize growth opportunities in the coming years. Investors are closely monitoring how this transition will impact the stock's trajectory, as the combination of robust market performance and the upcoming listing on the Nasdaq suggests a positive outlook for both short and long-term investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned PLTR a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform grade with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, Wedbush assigned PLTR a positive grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wedbush again assigned PLTR a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In instances of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $60.02 and $46.16. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 58.81%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 10 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal emerged 8 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal was detected 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average. A buy signal was noted 10 days ago. The long-term moving average. A buy signal has been present for 117 days. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal for 105 days. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $55.87 and $55.50. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $55.87. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $55.50 and $51.15. This stock may experience the significant movement throughout the day, indicative of high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $5.09 between its high and low, or 8.36%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 5.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 11 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $55.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of November, 2024, Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 8,860 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 8,054 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Heather A. Planishek conducted an insider purchase of 10,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Heather A. Planishek conducted another insider purchase of 10,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Heather A. Planishek conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 33.622. In total, insiders purchased 45,837,244 shares and sold 93,425,600 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $63.60, which represents a decrease of 3.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently involves a high level of risk. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, for a 14-day period is currently at 82, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a purchase at this time. Currently, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that you maintain or gradually acquire shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is considered overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by $1.57, starting at $64.24. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.